Guys, welcome back to LDubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, thanks for dropping back in, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking the stock market. We're going to be talking about Cathie Woods. We're going to be talking about the Stake app. We're also going to be talking about looking through my portfolio and what the biggest news is of the day, guys. If you want to stick around, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're liking this content, guys. Don't forget about the pinned comment in the description if you want some free Bitcoin or if you want to sign up to the Stake app where you can roll the roulette wheel and get yourself a free stock, guys. Let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, looking at the market, it obviously looks like we had a relatively decent day yesterday. Obviously, we had Apple slightly down, Microsoft up, Google was slightly down. But looking at the overall market, tech was hit quite heavily yesterday. But obviously, looking at consumer defenses and healthcare and obviously financial services, guys, looks like it did quite well. If anyone saw, all the big banks are starting to give forecasting at the moment. A lot are doing quite well. And if you look down here, utilities, very good day, obviously, if you've got any of those stock, guys. All righty, let's get into the next one. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, Cathie Wood, everyone knows Ark Invest, guys. Obviously, Ark buys a further $110 million of Coinbase shares, guys. Obviously, that is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Looks like they did a total of 341,000 shares here, guys. Cathie Wood of Ark Invest, including the flagship Ark ETF, all added funds to their coin investment on Thursday. All of the Ark ETFs purchased a combined total of 341,000 shares valued at $110 million at the close of trading on Thursday, with shares at an average price of $322, guys. The previous day, the three Ark funds together accumulated 749,000 shares worth approximately $246 million combined. Wednesday bolstered Ark's Coinbase position, brings the three funds' total Coinbase shares just after the currency exchange Nasdaq debut to over 1 million shares, guys. That is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Ark Invest is obviously very bullish on Coinbase. It's definitely something worth looking into. Look, I invested a few $100s into that yesterday, guys, if you saw that video. If not, it should be popping up above. Don't forget to hit the links in the description if you want to sign up to Stake. Spin the roulette wheel and see if you can get yourself a free stock. If you want some free Bitcoin, don't forget to hit the link in the description, guys. All right, let's get into it. Ark Invest has offered the most bullish prediction that Bitcoin's future total market capitalization will one day comfortably eclipse that of gold and exceed $10 trillion, guys. That is absolutely phenomenal. I feel the same way. I feel that this, at the end of this bull run, we should see peaks of around 8 trillion, if not maybe 10 trillion. We'll see how we go. But, I feel that we're just starting out, guys. Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's have a look. Dow, 0.48% up. S&P, 0.36. Nasdaq, 0.1. So obviously, overall, a good day. And obviously, looks like we've got some great news here. Obviously, Dogecoin, everyone is the big buzz at the moment, all about Dogecoin. Obviously, if you had a look at my previous video that I did, it looks like on Binance, since inception, Dogecoin is up over 6,000%, guys. So obviously, if you got in it, well done there, guys. Elon Musk, SpaceX wins $2.9 billion for NASA moon landing contract. That's fantastic. I think Elon's, not only going to go to Mars, the moon, he's going to take over and maybe even run for president, guys. Who knows? We'll have a look here. Obviously, it looks like we had your streaming subscription reshaped Disney and turbocharged Netflix now comes making more money off you guys. So obviously, if you haven't noticed over the last few weeks, it looks like Netflix and Disney have upped their amount per month for subscription, guys. Obviously, it's not something that's massive news, but obviously still worth mentioning, guys. Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, getting into the Stake app, guys. Just don't forget, if you're liking this content, please make sure you like and subscribe and share. Don't forget about in the pinned comments in the description to sign up to Stake. And also, if you want some free Bitcoin, and also the link there to sign up for CoinSpot, guys. Obviously, having a look at this referral link for Stake, guys. Look, if anyone uses the link, we'll make sure that we spin the roulette wheel on the video. We'll see what stock comes up. And obviously, let's get into it. So guys, coming into this stake up here, looks like I had a slight down day in my portfolio at 0.6% at $175, still holding at around 20.57% total return since starting my portfolio, guys. Having a look through, obviously it looks like a lot of my tech plays and Ark are down. Obviously we have a look at Coin. Coin had a decent day yesterday at 5.96% up. Obviously, if you see my video the other day, I did post online. I did do a buy as a market order. So obviously this order would have been filled the second the market opened. Let's go and have a look. So obviously I've got 0.62 of shares, total equity at $215. And obviously if you have a look at this at 4.56% up already, guys, at nearly $10. Obviously, it didn't buy directly at the open. It was a few minutes late. But obviously, this is just a quick and easy way to show how easy it is and that these trades are executed at market opening, guys. So if we ever come down here, we've had CRISPR having a bit of a cool off here as well. We've also got Palantir and PayPal having a slight cool off. Square's having a cool off as well, but obviously it's been on a bit of a tear lately. And obviously Upwork and Walgreens Boots Alliance is having a cool off as well, guys. So let's just have a look in the market. Obviously, S&P 0.33% up, Nasdaq at 0.12, Dow Jones at 0.45, and Russell 2000 at 0.16, guys. So if we have a look here, the most up days, nothing's really screaming out to me there, guys. But obviously, we go over to the most down days. Same thing, doesn't look like much is speaking out to me here as a buying opportunity, guys. Horizon might be one for you if you want in those telecoms there, guys. But obviously, keep an eye on that. It's very easy to use the app, very notable. Obviously, we can have a look here. You can have your watch list here, guys. You can select stocks that you want to watch. So then you can buy and sell as they come up, as they drop in price, as it becomes more in your realm of where you're wanting to buy it. But obviously, that's just a quick one for me, guys. I just wanted to quickly take through the app, see what my portfolio is doing, see how Coin is going since I bought since yesterday. But obviously, guys, if you're liking this content, please make sure you like and subscribe and share if possible. Don't forget about the links in the description to Stake, to CoinSpot, and to Coinbase, where you're looking at getting some free Bitcoin, guys. And obviously, I'll see you next time.